This one is a little bit different than most of the courses we make at AGI. We've designed this course to help you diagnose and solve most of the problems that you'll encounter with your 1911 style pistol. Now, we recommend that initially you watch the course entirely from beginning to end so that you've acquainted yourself with the information. Then you can put it on your reference shelf, and when you're at the range and you have a problem, you can come back and use the detailed menu that we've provided to look for the problem you're having. Go directly to that section. That'll help you diagnose the cause and fix the problem.
With the 1911s being in service for about 100 years, we're suddenly developing reliability problems. Well, there's basically three reasons for that. Number one is the magazine, and that is the feed lips. Now, we will get into that in a great deal of detail a little bit later in part 2 of this. Then the other is the ammunition. It was originally designed for the 230 grain hardball. That's all that the 1911 was designed for. Now, here is the ammunition that we are using today. Look at all the different types of ammunition that we have, different bullet weights, different designs, and that creates a reliability and feeding problem. The third item is the 1911 itself. It has been unchanged for a number of years. The problem that we have today is we have a lot of manufacturers, both import and domestic. Also, the manufacturer. Here's our sharp shoulder right here. We need to take that down, and we need to roll this back, in other words, more like this. And the reason why, because when we start using the wide mouth hollow point bullets, it may catch here. And definitely we want to take that off. Now, let me show you how we're going to do that. Now, another major issue with the 1911 is the magazines. Let's go back and study a bit of the history of the magazine. And this will explain part of our problem. Here is the original design of the 1911 magazine by Browning. It was smaller back here, and it tapered out, which gave rise to the round as it was being pushed out. Now, over the years, they decided to change that. Who? That was the manufacturers. Why? Because it was easier to manufacture. And they tried to make it versatile to many calibers. Let's take a look at it. See the feed lip right here? It goes out, and it's absolutely parallel. So what happens is the round, as it's being pushed out by the slide, goes straight until it gets to that part, then has to pop up. Now that's going to create a problem, and I'll show you why it creates a problem.